Welcome! Today we're going from a fresh download all the way to launching the FC26 Live Editor for the very first time. Every step is shown on screen, making the process easy to follow. First, head over to the media file and download the latest archive. Once the download finishes, extract the files and launch the installer. Password from archive 4545, allowing the installer to complete its work automatically. When everything is ready, launch the EAFC26 and stay with me as we explore the interface together and see what awaits after the first startup.